changed the bulb. I did whatever I could, and it, and then I remembered, oh my gosh, that's right, I unplugged it from the other day. So I went in the kitchen, plugged it in, and boop, it turned on. I was like, oh, thank goodness, because it was an antique lamp. It was beautiful, and I thought, thank goodness, it's not broken. Well, I go to the restroom to come out, and it's off, just off. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I went through all that to find out it was not broken, and I went around, and it was unplugged.
This is what you do.
Immediately unplugged. So, what else? I mean, my daughter has stories. There was the time that they were in their room, and
Turn it to the right.
my daughter had, those little paper lamps that, they're balls, paper balls, lamps, and they were just laying there, and something whacked it,
I'm a pro at Canon, so.
and they came running and got into bed with me. What else? I mean, there's been so many things. There was the time when I went to turn the light out in the kitchen, and I flipped it off, turned around, took 5 steps, and I heard click, and the light was on, and the switch was moved up in the on position. So I ran, I huffed it out of there. I was like, oh my gosh, I went to my kids, and I said, you wouldn't believe what just happened. And so I had them come out to see, and I went to explain to them. I said, I went to flip the switch, turn the light out, and I turned around and took 2 steps, and boom, it did it right in front of them again, and we all ran. But yeah, lots of stuff. Well, there's this time that my daughter was in bed, and she said, Mom, something keeps touching me. And so I said, okay, I'll get into bed with you, and you show me wherever it touches you, and I'll rub it out. She said, it's touching me right here. So I rub her leg and rub it out, and finally kind of dwindled down a little bit, and I could feel like this warmth from my face as my eyes were closed. And I opened my eyes, and it's my daughter staring right at me. I was like, I said, okay, it's time to go to bed. I can't go to sleep if you're going to stare at me. Let's just close our eyes and go to sleep. And she says, but Mom, there's a finger pointing at you. So she said there was a finger with a long fingernail pointing at my nose. And that's when we heard the growl at the foot of the bed.
Oh, that's right, growl.
Yeah, and then when we heard the growl at the foot of the bed, I realized this was not a good entity, and it was time to do something. So it was fun up until that point, but that growl was terrifying. There's no earthly sound like it, and so called the Berkeley Psychic Institute to come out, and they come out.
And they did a cleansing, right?
Yeah. And so since Jeri's moved in, I was telling her, because she's going to be living here with my ghosts.